Add a drizzle of oil to a pan. Add a tablespoon of popcorn kernels to the pan and place it over medium heat. Cover it once the kernels start popping. When the popping slows down, turn off the stove and let the pan cool completely. Once cooled, transfer the popcorn into a plastic container. Now, using your hands, crush the popcorn until it turns into a fine powder. This part is easy and fun. Now, add 1 tablespoon of powdered cement to the popcorn dust. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the mix. Seal the container with its lid and shake it really well. Keep shaking until all the ingredients are completely combined. This simple mix can solve a problem we've all faced at some point: unwanted guests like rodents, cockroaches, and other pests that sneak into our homes. When placed in areas where these critters roam, the mixture works wonders. Once consumed, it creates discomfort in their digestive systems, keeping them far away from your home for good.